Thai green chicken curry is one of the staples on my menus in the middle of the week because it's so easy to put together. As long as you've got a few key ingredients like coconut cream and milk and some curry paste, you can make a delicious dinner in no time. Now I'm going to show you how to slow cook it in my Eye Companion. So the Eye Companion now comes with a flat base, which means it's almost turned into a stew pot. Of course, you can do this the traditional way, just in a saute pan. The reason this is so cool is because this function automatically sets to 130 degrees for 5 minutes. So we just have to pop in our curry paste, so a few tablespoons, 1 and 2, along with some oil, just a splash because there is oil in the curry paste already. And to make sure we get that split when it comes to the base of this curry, just scoop off that solid part of the coconut milk. So you just want about a tablespoon of it. We'll add that. The great thing about the Eye Companion is it comes with a slow cook function. So by pressing that, it's going to start to fry off that beautiful paste at 130 degrees for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we can go on to the next stage. So just give that a mix and we'll fry that off. Okay, let's have a look at this. Fantastic. See how that is split? That is a good sign. So we can add some more ingredients. I'll add some onions, just 1 onion that I've finely sliced. And I don't want to fry this off. This just slowly cooks when I add the coconut cream and milk. So 1 can of the coconut cream and some coconut milk. I like to use both of them. I want the richness of the cream, but I also need something slightly thinner, so that's why I use milk. You could also add a splash of water at this stage too, but I'm going to cook it now and see how it goes. I may add a little later on. One last thing I want to add is a macroot lime leaf. Just break it up. It smells so good. We'll add some more later on too. The lid can now go back on, and this will cook for about 15 minutes at 100 degrees. Okay, our green curry is coming together. Look how rich that sauce looks. But now we have to add all our other ingredients. So I've been slicing some zucchini. You could add some eggplant to this if you like, or any other vegetable. Sweet potato works a treat too. We'll add that to our coconut mixture, along with some bamboo shoots. I love bamboo shoots in a curry. And some chicken. So I like to use chicken thigh because it's got a little fat through it. It's a darker meat, so it's going to stay tender throughout this cooking process. So in with our chicken pieces. Again, give it a stir to coat everything. And at this stage, I'll add a pinch of salt. And this now cooks for a further 8 to 12 minutes with the lid off, so I can keep an eye on it and so I can constantly stir it so it cooks evenly. Now, while that's bubbling away, I'll get onto the seasoning, which is a combination of limes, sugar, and some fish sauce. The chicken is cooked, so this is ready to go. You see, we didn't add that much liquid to it, and we've got the perfect consistency, the perfect sauce. Now, to finish it off, just that combination of fish sauce, sugar, and lime, and it's just that extra touch at the end. Add half of it. I always say add half of it because it is a seasoning. Mix it and have a taste and see if it needs a little more acid or some sugar. It may even need some more salt or just the fish sauce. Oh, so good. A lovely tang and the heat from the green chilies. I just love it. Now some steamed rice here. I'll plate this up. Just make sure we get a generous amount of the chicken, the zucchini, just around the rice. And the sauce is king here, so extra sauce. And to garnish this, keeping with the green theme, some macroot lime leaf that I'm just going to roll up nice and tightly, just a chiffonade. So a fine slice of this. Try to get it as thin as you can. You don't want big chunks of this leaf because it is quite intense, but I do love the balminess of it. So we'll sprinkle that over the top, just the smallest amount. Love the smell of that. And some Thai basil, sprig on the top. And if you love lime as much as I do, a little cheek of lime on the side. There you go, midweek Thai. Forget about the takeaway, make it yourself. It's always gonna taste better.